Good morning. I am Alok Kumar, student in Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. Today's I will cover topic is why we need today's newspaper. The newspaper is all about that daily news or daily what about current that present what about that is present time start to present in newspaper. The newspaper can more informative for today's information. What about new create or something that present in newspaper? So to what about need newspaper at present time at the present of technology that is mobile phones and TVs that is many more. So why we need newspaper? What about this read newspaper? The newspaper have many times example Amar Ujala, Dainik Jagran, India Express, News Times, and many more. The different newspapers content have some different, but many of them are same. But the different cities have different information then present in different in informations present in newspapers. Then newspaper why we read that present in at a quickly on mobile phones or a form of videos, and if we read then present in content form reading purpose for, then why we consume time for newspaper. The the newspapers are information that present in our technologies gadgets. The newspaper many of the present half of the ad and half of the information. The advertisement can come from money purpose and information from all the distributors for reading purpose. The advertisement to acquire money for our earning. Our not companies earning for printing of newspapers. The newspaper cover the topic that is today's news, current current situation, what about what about problems or many of the situations that present in newspapers, half of the page newspaper and half of the advertisement. And GOTC sports news and world sports news and some different types news covered in newspapers that exaggerate not that 1 to 5 or 10 pages covered the news. The old persons cannot run mobile phones. Many of some of the old persons not starting opening mobile that not know what is gadget or mobile phones or technologies that we know TVs, television that we sense and some information not captured in mobiles or TVs, computers and many. Then that persons need in physical paper. Then they buy newspaper because they did not gain information in mobiles or phones. Then many of the news mobile phones are fake because all pro- content provider on mobiles are generate earning for any of the content provided. That purpose some content provided purpose for earning and newspapers is a physical paper that we buy and then read again and many times every person read. But mobile that person to person depend what type of news preferred. The newspaper are m- many convenient for the reading and easily be readable. That mobile screen off on many of the problems are screen problem, screen time. That is newspaper, not that is problem. That is different. That is physical paper. We read it easily and newspaper we use many of the purposes because that is paper. Thank you.